I'm going to put together a quick video here standing up a SSV testnet validator from start to finish without touching the command line. So I have a fresh Windows here. Only thing I've done is I've installed MetaMask. So first thing I'm going to do is do the key generation. So let me go here. I want to go to GG. This is the wrapper around the ETH deposit CLI. So I'm going to download the Microsoft version. Microsoft has a little issue with the security of this guy. So what we're going to do is just keep it, show more, keep anyway. Go desktop. It'll complete the download. And when you open the file, Microsoft tries to protect me again, and I'm going to hit run anyway. It's going to get all set up. I'm going to create a new phrase on Prager. Alright, so I'm going to hit create here, then I'm going to copy my phrase, then I'm going to confirm it, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I've copied it, secured it, I'm now going to create the keys, right? Or the generator is going to create the keys. I need a key per validator. I'm going to stand up. I need also 32 ETH. I'm only going to do one validator for this one. I'm going to go grab a password now. Okay. Confirm my password. Now it's going to let me choose where I want to put the files. I'm going to just put it right in my documents here. I'm just going to make a folder for keys. And put it there. Create. Alright, so that's done. Let me just confirm it's there. Cool. There are my two files. Alright, so now I want to stand up the... No, now let's fund MetaMask. So I'm going to go to the faucet. So to go to the faucet, we need to go to faucet really dot block. Okay, so we're here, so we need to do a tweet with my wallet address, and I need to save it here. Sure, I'll go do that on my other tab, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I have to do is I grabbed, went on to Twitter, threw a tweet out there with my wallet address, which I grabbed right from here. Then I need to come back over here. I need to copy a link and drop it in here. I need to choose the motorcycles. Alright, cool. So the funding was sent. I jump over to MetaMask. And there we go. Now I have 37 ETH. Just like that. Very easy. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to go to SSV, and we're going to stand the validator. So I needed the funding before I stood up the validator because at the end here I need a little bit of Ethereum to get this going. So I logged in here, my wallet's set up. Cool. So you hit create. It'll say visit the launchpad, and we'll need to go here. Now, actually, because I already generated the keys, I already did a lot of the steps here that have to be done. So we'll actually come back to this. In our case, I'm actually just going to import here. So it wants the key store file, which we could find. So we dropped it right in our keys here, key store. And then we need the password that we used. Use that, get that password I generated before, and hit next. Alright, so when that goes through, you're selecting operators. This is like the cool thing of SSV, so you could select like 4 different operators. You want a good spread, and you want the verified ones, I think. So I'm going to spread between block staking and DApp node. Like that one. This one. Alright. And then next, here's our slashing warning. So if you have, because I'm importing, right? So, if I have an existing validator up, I would be in trouble. But I understand this. I hit next. Okay, so I need to confirm this transaction to start running my validator. So I put it here, confirm it through a MetaMask. Confirmed. Go here. Here's my validator. Now I need to fund my validator, right? So I did not do this before, so I need to fund it. All right, so now I need to go here. Why do I need to fund it, right? Good question. I'm going to go here. So this is beacon chain. You'll notice that my validator is not found. It's not found because it's not funded. So let's get started. So here's all the advisories. So you're going to want to read through most of these. All of these. Deposit. Didn't have to use terminal, but you should know how to use it. Alright, we don't have to worry about clients because the operators will do this bit for us. So we'll just hit continue and continue. Okay, so we're going to stand up one validator, so it's going to cost us 32 ETH. We're going to choose Windows. Cool thing here is we did not have to do these steps to run the CLI. The Wagyu key generator did that. But I do have it safe and written down. So I continue. So now the deposit data that the key generator made, this guy, we need to bring in. So we're going to give this to the launchpad. Continue. Now the moment of truth here. We need to connect MetaMask. Make sure everything's good. Alright, now we're moving this in. One last time to make sure we understand all the risks and everything associated with this. Send my deposit. And that's through. And just like that, I can now, let me just open beacon chain here. It's going to not show it just yet. It's going to take a minute. Come here. I've staked on the deposit contract. Nice job. Alright, you're going to want to read like the staker checklist here, which is really cool. How you continue up your nodes, right? You don't really have to worry about a lot of this because your operators do it, but it's a good thing to note. Come here, let's see. There we go. The validator is now pending. It's going to take about 15 hours for my deposit to get processed and about 19 hours after being registered will this get all stood up. But I'm done. So 9 minutes and 30 seconds or so. This is all good to go. My validator's here. This will start a testing once that epoch gets through, and I don't have to really do anything else. Alright guys, hope this helps. I'm going to try to maybe add a validator to this, or move maybe from blocks to here next. That would be cool. But let me know if you have any comments.